So if you're gonna squat here at Marvel Performance, I suggest you use the Kabuki safety squat bar. Now, this is a very advanced bar, and there's a lot of ways to set it up. So I'm gonna go over how to set this up for you. Now, this bar rotates and comes out just like this. And you'll see this is numbered 1, 2, 3, and 4 on the inside. They'll have numbers there. Now, the further away from this bar is from the axis, the heavier the weight gets. So you can begin to play with the way that feels. Okay, so you can put more weight on there, or you can put less weight on there and make it feel heavier. That saves you from changing weights, but it also saves the joints a little bit as well. And you'll see right here, there's a bunch of settings as well. Okay, so if you want, it goes into a hinge pattern, and you'll see how this came all the way behind the body now, because I'll be standing facing that way. So now this is behind the body. So the weight is really behind you. I could do a hinge, and I don't even have to hold the bar at all, because it'll just sit perfectly balanced on my back. And I'll show you what I mean. I'll set this other one up on hinge, and you'll get a nice demonstration here. So now they're both on hinge. Got to make sure they're both on the same setting before you lift it up. But again, I set this up a little bit awkward just so we can get good filming here. But when I stand up with this, all the weight wants to go back. So I do have to hold on to these bars. And then what happens is, as I lean forward, I can now do a hinge type strengthening exercise. And it's incredibly comfortable because the bars are right on top of you with these nice thick pads. So you can go quite heavy. And you can go wide stance or narrow, depending on how flexible you are, just like that. Make sure that back stays straight. I'm gonna rack that. Come over here, and I'm gonna change this now to the goblet squat. Now, I'm gonna skip these other ones because just for sake of the video, but back squat, low bar for power lifters, high bar for Olympic lifters. Your standard safety squat bar, okay, which puts the weight, as you notice, it's in front of you a little bit. Now you have a front squat for those of you who don't have good wrist flexibility, and you want to still do that front squat, which I do recommend. It's awesome. And then we have something called the goblet squat. Now, that's one of my favorites because I really love the way it feels on my spine and my quads. And you just notice how this whole thing just shifted backwards. This is the one where you don't have to hold on to anything. You're going to come up, you can stand up, and now I can do my lifts. Like if I want to do really heavy assisted lifts, I can do that. I can go down with heavy weight, and it'll stay on me, and then I can help my arms pull up. Or I can just hold on to this and just do my normal weight, go all the way down, come all the way up. And you'll see that you got to be careful, because if you have really long legs, these could hit you in the legs. So you need to go wider or more narrow, depending, like, I don't know. Let's see. Yeah. Okay. Nice. All right. But make sure those don't hit you in the knees as you go down. Same, all the other same rules apply to your squat. Breathe in at the top. Brace by drawing your belly button in. Pull those knees out. Go all the way down. Coming on up with that breath.